All right, here we go. Real world problems. All right. Um, cool. Let's read this one. Evan typed 72 pages of notes in one day. He must do a lot of typing, pal. And he must not be in fifth grade. He typed half of the pages in the morning, one third of the pages in the afternoon. He typed the rest of the pages in the evening. How many pages of notes did he type in the morning and afternoon? Well, let's see. He typed one third plus one half. Here's the morning, and here's the afternoon, right? In the morning and afternoon. We know we need common denominators, sixth, so one third becomes 2/6 plus 3/6 equals 5/6. So he typed 5/6 of the 72 pages in the morning and afternoon. What does this of mean? Multiplication. 5/6 times 72 over 1 here. 6 and 72 have 12 in common. We have 6 in common. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 6 divided by 72 is 12. 5 times 12 is 60. 60 over 1. He types 60 pages in the morning and the afternoon. We can also look at it this way. Here are all the pages, right? All 72 pages. He typed half of them in the morning and a third of them in the afternoon. So there's half of them in the morning. Now, if I want another third, I have to make sixth here, right? So here's half in the morning. Here's a third. So this is what he typed in the morning and the afternoon. If all of them are 72, 72 divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gives me 12. 12 times 5 equals 60. Perfect. Excellent. All right. All right. Here we have last Saturday. Jay spent 6 hours playing games, studying, and talking with his friends. Seems like a good time. He spent 2/5 of the time playing games and one half of the time studying. Good job, Jay. How many minutes did he spend talking with his friends? Well, here we're thinking about is all 6 hours. If I know I'm going to add one half and 2/5 together, I need common denominator. So I'm going to make them into tenths. So 2/5 becomes 4/10. One half becomes 5/10. So here are my tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't like it when it happens like that, do I? But I'm going to leave it because I'm not going to redraw. So 4/5, playing games. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is games. 5/10, studying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Studying. And only 1/10. 1/10. Talking with his friends. So how much time did he spend talking with his friends? Well, 6 hours is equal to 360 minutes. So if we think of each of these units is 1 unit is 36 minutes because there are 10 of them. So each of them is 36. So he spent 36 minutes with his friends. All right, here we have Joanne earns $720 a week. She spends 1/3 of her money on groceries and household goods and 3/4 of the remaining. Oh my gosh, so important. Money on rent. How much money does she spend on rent, groceries, and household goods? So here is all of her money, $720 of it. She spends 1/3 of it on rent. So let's split it into thirds. I'm going to split it into large thirds because I know that I'm going to have to split it again because I'm have that remaining. So this is her groceries and household goods. And then 3/4 the remaining on rent. So I'm going to have to split this into fourths. So I'm going to split it here and I'm going to split it here. And remember when I split those, I'm going to split this one too. Save me some time later. 1, 2, 3 of these are her rent. And this is how much money she has left. Oh, that's what happens when you're an adult. You have so much money and then it's all gone. All right, how much does she spend? She spends 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 6, 5, 6 of the 720. Well, I can think about 6 units. 6 boxes is 720. 1 unit, 720 divided by 6, which is 120. So then 5 units is that 120, or I'm thinking 12 times 5 is 60, so $600. She spends $600 on groceries, household goods, and rent, leaving her a mere $120 to spend on fun things. Or I can think of it as, right, I can think of 5/6 of my 720, which would be $600.